Hello everyone, we're back with the latest Camp Nou construction update. We'll show you all the key progress happening across the stadium. From major structural work to installation updates, everything is covered. Stay tuned to see the stadium take shape step by step. At the moment, 2 compression ring pillars are clearly installed, with another one appearing to be prepared in the corner. In the south goal area, work continues at a strong pace, especially around the staircases. A major step forward is the installation of diagonal supports, which are now being fixed to the pillars. This confirms that slat installation is moving toward the south goal, which is far more advanced than the north goal, where additional work is still needed before slats can be installed. On the parking ramp, it looks like they're cutting into the concrete at the joint where the wall meets the ground, likely for expansion or drainage. We'll leave the workers here and continue moving forward. Heading to the middle lateral section, we get a clear front view of the slats. An aerial platform is positioned nearby. Current movements seem related to adjustments, not lifting major elements. A truck has arrived carrying slats, wrapped in white protective plastic, likely pending installation. Moving slightly right gives a better view with no lamppost obstruction. In the lower section, an aerial platform is installing slats across the distance from brackets to interior. The crane is preparing another slat to lift, while the stair structure has its own platform working. This lateral side still has one sector to finish. Once done, all 3 sections will be complete. Crane chains hold the slats ready to be lowered, with gaps between sectors yet to be covered. At the corner, ongoing work continues on top of the structure. A massive beam catches the eye, larger than standard compression ring pillars. Very little formwork remains on the wall closest to us. A worker carries wooden boards, while the right side is mostly cleared. In a few hours, this ramp section will be completely cleared. In Gol Norte, a machine cleans the road while prefabricated stands are being brought in and lowered. A concrete pump is inside the stadium today. Aerial platforms aren't needed here. Supports are installed. Remaining work includes anchor installation to prepare for future slat installation. Unexpectedly, slat supports are being installed in central Gol Norte, with a sagging section being corrected. One support is installed, another is currently being fixed. Preparations for slats are progressing in Gol Norte alongside Gol Sur. Work continues in the tribune area despite strong wind. A prefabricated stand is being moved. Escalators show visible work by 2 workers. Blue protective tarps have been lifted. Rock wool is fully installed in the central area. Some ramp work is ongoing, partially hidden, with the fence removed for adjustments. Excavation covers the front section of the diamond zone. A crane is ready to move materials, with large amounts outside and inside the area. 2 prefabricated stands are temporarily placed on the cantilever. Workers are active on stair structures. Structurally, only minor columns are completed. Looking at the lateral area, we can see clear signs of activity. As we zoom in, we can see the platform and crane working alongside several massive structural elements. Large pieces prepared for the compression ring are visible, along with a black structural frame that will form another section once the yellow element is lifted into place. As we sweep across this section, it's easy to see how full it is with glass panels, prefabricated stands, and other components. Work is ongoing on the upper level, where crews are preparing elements to be lifted later on. In the background, new material has arrived, and there's a strong possibility that another compression ring pillar is already being prepared. Everything indicates that the next slat installation area will be this corner section. In recent days, anchors and cross-shaped supports have been installed using lifting platforms. Only minor details remain, and it looks very likely that slats will start appearing here soon. At the moment, no slats are staged yet, but that should change very quickly. As we move higher up, we can see that rock wool insulation is still missing in some upper horizontal sections above the doors. Glass panels have been prepared here for some time, and installation on the frontal area is expected next. Further up, several lifting platforms remain active, and all shoring and formwork panels have already been removed from the middle section. Crane activity continues across this area. This concludes today's full update from Camp Nou. If you enjoyed this progress report, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a single update on the stadium's transformation. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next Camp Nou update.